So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you use NumPy. Basically install NumPy in your PC, which is a Python based library, and then run it in your VSCode using a virtual environment. For that there is a prerequisite of VSCode and Python installed in your PC, and then you can continue in this video. Then you have to open your VSCode and then select a folder where you will be, you can say, creating all your files for NumPy. Let me select my folder. So okay, this will be my folder. Then what we have to do is just click here and create a new virtual environment. Python create environment and then venv. What this will do is create a virtual environment. A virtual environment is that folder which will contain all your project dependencies, not your system dependencies, and all your dependencies will be installed here only. That's why virtual environment is necessary. Okay, we will be installing our NumPy in this particular environment. Then what we have to do is click on terminal, new terminal, and make sure that your virtual environment is active. Python virtual environment was successfully activated. Okay, and then you have to type pip install, then NumPy. This will take some seconds. Okay, I guess it is being installed. Yeah, this is installed now. Now what we have to do is just click on it and create a new file. Let's name this as test.py. Now you just have to import NumPy here and check if there is yellow line under NumPy. If there is yellow line, that means your NumPy is not successfully installed. Now let's check. Import NumPy as np. So there is no yellow line under NumPy. That means our NumPy is successfully installed, and you can start working with a NumPy project now. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.